The main cornerstone of the Islamic faith is that there is only one sole creator, sustainer, and cherisher for all the human beings. The cornerstone of Islamic faith is Tawheed, that there is only one sole creator, sustainer, cherisher for all the human beings, irrespective whether they are black or white, yellow or brown, rich or poor, whether they come from America or Malaysia, India or Pakistan. Our creator is the same. And this point is the single most important point for universal brotherhood. This point alone, that all the human beings have one sole common creator, sustainer and cherisher, is sufficient for universal brotherhood. That's the reason, monotheism being the cornerstone of Islam, besides Islam, it is even the cornerstone of all the faiths. But unfortunately, in the passage of time, the importance to it deteriorated. That's the reason, if you read the scriptures of all the major religions, all of them speak about believing and worshipping only one God. Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 64, where Allah says, Kul ya ahlal kitab. Say, O people of the book, Ta'alaw ila kalimatin sawa'im bayna baynakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but Allah. Wala nushrika bihi shay'an. That we associate no partners with Him. Wala yattakhiza ba'duna ba'dan arbaban min dunillah. That we erect not among ourselves lords and people other than Allah. Fa'in tawallahu. If then they turn back. Faqul ashhadu. Say, be witness. We are Muslimun, that we are Muslims bowing our will to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This verse of the Quran gives you a master key of how to speak with different types of people. Ta'alaw ila kalimatin sawa'im bayna baynakum. Come to common terms as us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but Allah. So when we speak with people of different religions, our Creator says, talk about commonalities. The differences can be discussed later on. At least let us agree to follow what is common. And most of our problems will be solved. Religion, according to the Oxford Dictionary, means a belief in a superhuman controlling power, a personal God or gods that deserve worship. So basically, religion means believing in God. So if we can understand the concept of God in the major world religions, this is the best way to unite all the human beings together.